If you're over 60 and noticing your muscles aren't as strong as they used to be, you're not alone. Age-related muscle loss, or sarcopenia, affects millions, but it's not inevitable. The right foods can help reverse or prevent this decline. Let's count down 5 powerful foods that support muscle strength, energy, and mobility. 5. Salmon. Rich in protein and omega-3s, salmon supports muscle repair and reduces inflammation. It also provides vitamins B12 and D, essential for energy and bone health. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a top source of complete protein and contain vitamin D and choline, supporting bone strength, muscle recovery, and energy. 3. Spinach. Packed with magnesium, iron, and vitamins A and K, spinach boosts muscle function, blood flow, and fights inflammation. Great in smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. 2. Almonds. These crunchy snacks offer protein, vitamin E, and magnesium. They reduce muscle soreness and oxidative stress while supporting recovery and energy. 1. Chicken breast. A go-to lean protein, chicken breast fuels muscle growth and repair. It's also rich in B vitamins that boost metabolism and overall energy. Incorporating these 5 foods into your diet is a simple, effective way to stay strong and active.